What if I told you that one sentence could completely destroy the way you see your life? Not a book, not a lecture, just one idea, sharp enough to cut through everything you believe. Some of these will challenge you, some will inspire you, and at least one you're going to hate. Let's find out which one. Socrates. What if your entire life is built on lies you've never questioned? Socrates didn't teach answers. He destroyed illusions. The unexamined life is not worth living. If you never question yourself, are you even alive? Or just following a script? Plato. Think staying out of politics keeps you clean? Plato thought that was cowardice. The penalty for refusing to rule is to be ruled by someone worse. If you don't step up, someone less capable will. Aristotle. You think success is about talent? Aristotle disagreed. We are what we repeatedly do, not your intentions, not your goals, your habits. That's who you are. Heraclitus. You want stability? Too bad. No man ever steps in the same river twice. Everything changes, including you. So the real question is, are you changing on purpose or by accident? Epicurus. You think you need more to be happy? That's the trap. Do not spoil what you have by desiring what you have not. The life you're chasing might be worse than the one you already have. Epictetus. You want freedom? Then control yourself. No man is free who is not master of himself. Not your boss, not society, your impulses. That's your real prison. Marcus Aurelius. You can't control the world, so stop trying. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Everything else? Noise. Up to this point, you've heard about control, discipline, responsibility. Now everything breaks. Because the next philosophers don't just challenge you. They contradict everything you just heard. Immanuel Kant. For Kant, the biggest enemy wasn't chaos. It was obedience. Dare to think. Most people don't lack intelligence. They lack courage. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Society made you better? Rousseau would laugh. Man is born free and everywhere he is in chains. The system you trust might be the thing limiting you. Arthur Schopenhauer. Talent versus genius? Not even close. Talent hits a target others can't hit. Genius hits a target others can't see. So ask yourself, are you skilled or just playing a game someone else designed? Friedrich Nietzsche. Everything you've heard so far about control? Nietzsche flips it. What does not kill me makes me stronger. Pain isn't the enemy. Weakness is. So which is it? Control yourself like Epictetus or embrace struggle like Friedrich Nietzsche? Discipline or chaos? Soren Kierkegaard. You want clarity before acting? Too late. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. You'll never have all the answers. Move anyway. Jean-Paul Sartre. And then Sartre comes in and removes your last excuse. Man is condemned to be free. No destiny, no script. Everything you are is your responsibility. Albert Camus. And if that sounds unbearable, Camus agrees. But he still finds hope. In the depths of winter, I found an invincible summer. Even when nothing makes sense, you still choose how to face it. Ludwig Wittgenstein. Finally, the trap you didn't even notice. The limits of my language mean the limits of my world. If you can't think it, you can't live it. These aren't just quotes. They built empires, started revolutions, and destroyed people who took them too far. Some of these ideas will make you stronger. Some will break you. So choose carefully, because sooner or later, one of them becomes your philosophy. Which one hit you the hardest? Be honest. Drop it in the comments. I want to see how people think. And if this made you question something you've always believed, subscribe, because we're just getting started.